Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to find affiliate niches with Hostinger. To find affiliate niches with Hostinger, follow these steps. Research popular trends. Go to Google, go to Hostinger to see what the market demands, or you can use tools like Google Trends, right, to identify current and rising topics, right? And explore forums and social media to see what people are discussing, and then check the affiliate programs, right? Check the the available affiliate program, right? And you can go to official Hostinger, right? Hostinger affiliate, okay? And you can see what's available there, and then analyze the competition, right? Once you access the affiliate platform, you're gonna be able to just accept the cookies and sign up with a new account, right? And basically look at the traffic, keywords, backlink strategies, and consider your interests, right? Identify topics that you're passionate about, which leads me to the official website of affiliate marketing in Hostinger, right, to find what's best for you, right? So you can just weigh in and see what are the options for you. You can start personal finance and investment, right? And you can use or you can work in health and wellness, right? And you can start using education and e-learning, right, if you want. And you can use travel, as you can be a travel guide, or be affiliate marketing person for this traveling company. For example, Travel Freak, a successful affiliate site that promotes a wide range of travel products, right? And then try different niches, right? Evaluate the audience demands and use keyword research like Uber Suggest or Google Keyword Planner to gauge search volume and competition for specific topics. And then test the different niches. Start creating content around a few niche ideas and measure engagement and conversion rate. By following these steps, you can effectively identify and select profitable affiliate niches with Hostinger. So that's me in the comments. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for